What's up everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wilson's Apiary Adventures. So this evening, we're actually going to be relocating 2 catch boxes to my uncle's place just to get them reorganized. And we're also going to be going back to the Gamtoos to fetch another 2 boxes that are ready to bring back to the apiary. So be sure to stick around and we'll see you soon. Alright, so as mentioned, we're going to be blocking up these 2 catch boxes that we have right behind the back door of our house. So be sure to stick around and see us patching these guys up so we can move them back to my uncle's place for 7 days. Alright, you can't see much now, but basically that box over there and that box on top. Where's my finger? There. Those have to be patched up and be sent to my uncle's place for 7 days. So I'm going to be going ahead and clearing all of this stuff around just to make it easier for us to get to that box at the bottom. And yeah. Alright, so we did it quickly just without the video being captured. But you can see we put that mesh over the front with drawing pins. And that'll allow them to still breathe, but not get too hot inside, but not fly around so we can actually move them. So, it's good. Right, and this is the second box. We've just done it as well. You can see the drawing pins on the front. It's got the same mesh, same process, but this is the second box that was on top. It's going to be moved now too. That's good. Yeah, there you can see the mesh. That's definitely stopping coming out, so it's good.
A few moments later.
Alright, so here now, we've just dropped these boxes off. Here's the first one on the roof. We're going to be opening that one shortly. Probably can hear all the frogs in the background. This is at my uncle's place. They're going to be chilling here for about 2 weeks or so. And then this is the other box on the roof as well. There we go, ready to roll. We're going to be opening these soon. Alright, so now we've taken them off. I just want to give you guys a quick little gander of how they're now breathing. So there, them all getting some fresh air. That's that big one. And then we're going to come over now to the second one. It's not so big. There we go, they're also getting some fresh air. Yeah, beautiful. Awesome.
1 hour later.
Alright, so we get to the Gamtoos, and this is our surprise. Let's try and cover that up. I don't see that happening. This is just the small one. Wait till you see the big one. I'm just going to show you guys. We tried to get them in, but I mean, that's just underneath the box. That's excluding what's in the front. So let me just wash my feet here because this place is quite high. So that's just on the front. Alright, I've been puffing smoke trying to get them inside, but that's just not happening. So obviously we're going to have to bring in a brood extension out, so that they can start building into the brood extension, and then yeah, they can off it, because obviously there's no space, and this is a big sign of splitting. This is a big sign for splitting, which is not nice. So hopefully we can bring the brood extension in time, and we can get these guys, yeah, we get some more space. That's amazing. So after finally driving back all the way from Gamtoos, we have not both of the boxes, just the one, but also we have a catch box that was in my uncle's holiday house too. It's a small 5-frame nook, but the box is heavy, so there's definitely a sizable amount of bees in there already. So yeah, we're going to be going ahead now and taking those and putting them into the apiary, and then once they're in, I'll give you a quick video of where we've placed them and how they look. Going to be very busy though. Alright, so we've dropped the first box off. This is the first box that we've dropped off, the big one. As you can see, they're just busy fanning now because they were extremely hot. Just stretching their legs. As you can see, it's not a small hive. It's certainly not a small guy. So, yeah, it's definitely decently sized. All the way from Gamtoos at nearly 2 o'clock in the morning. We're here in the apiary. So that's the first box. I'll show you the second one. Alright, and then this is the second catch box that we got. Also a very decently sized 5-frame box. And they really are. This box is very heavy, so it's really nice to see them very happy here. So we'll see how it goes. But these are the two we fetched. There's still one left there. It's a very big one that I'd have to add an extension, as I mentioned. And yeah, then we'll bring it back here. Alright, so we are at the next day. And we managed to move these boxes behind me to my uncle's place. And then not only after that, we also went and fetched the other boxes all the way at Gamtoos to bring them back to the apiary, which unfortunately we could only bring 2, not the 3 that we would have hoped. The one was just way too big. We couldn't get them back into the box in order to close them up and bring them, but we still got the small catch box from my other uncle's place, and then the one on top of that roof there by Gamtoos. So yeah, let's have a look at them. They're gone. Remember, one was on top here and the one was down below. That's not them though, that's just 2. Another box, but it's not theirs. But yeah, thanks so much for checking it out, guys. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. And be sure to subscribe and like our channel. We really appreciate it. And we'll definitely see you in the next one. Cheers.